before it brings the breath of nature to your home. It begins here. A vision of purity, engineered by the masters of air. The veins of the machine, pure copper, ready to channel the cold. Efficiency measured in microns. Surface area designed for perfection. White purity. The foundation of the premium aesthetic. The heart of the system. Powerful, silent, enduring. Friction is eliminated. Smoothness is guaranteed. Waiting for the spark of intelligence. Mastering the invisible currents. The process begins. Quality in every breath. The path of the cold. Precision in every curve. Surface area expanded. Efficiency maximized. Shielded against the elements. Blue armor for durability. Formed from heat. Destined for cool elegance. The smart inverter heart. Constant power. Variable control. Sealed with fire. No leaks ever. Small enough to fit in your hand. Powerful enough to clean the air. Spinning the winds of change. Silence is engineered. Peace is built in. The complex machine, ready to become a simple comfort. It's the mind of the machine. Logic that controls the climate. Protected against the unseen moisture. Reliability in any season. An eye that sees. Intelligence that senses human presence. Order within chaos. Every connection secure. The core meets the shell. Structure becomes function. Wings designed to guide the wind. Direct cooling or shower cooling. Cutting the air with silence. Design inspired by nature. Built to withstand the storm. Armor for the outdoors. The seal of quality. A promise kept for generations. The form is perfected, ready for the final test.
Silence so deep, you can hear the quality.
Invisible leaks found. Perfection is the only standard.
Power that chills. Instant comfort delivered.
Storm-proof. Rain-proof. Worry-proof.
Corrosion has no place here.
Shaken, but never stirred. Built for the journey.
Smooth to the touch. Flawless to the eye.
Control the invisible.
Purify your world.
Trapping the dust. Releasing the clean.
Tested beyond limits. Ready for your home.
Cradled in safety. Protected for the journey. The power to control, neatly packed. A promise of quality, signed and delivered.
Sealed tight. Ready for the world.
A tower of comfort, waiting to be deployed.
Bundled together. Strength in numbers.
Tracked from birth. Destined for your wall. The journey begins. From our hands to yours. Bringing the future of air to every corner. Arrival, where nature meets technology. Respect for the home. Care in every step. Balance, the foundation of silence. Connected with strength. Sealed for a lifetime. Emptying the space to fill it with comfort. The first breath. A new atmosphere begins.
Control from anywhere. Your comfort, connected.
Cleaning the invisible. Nature's balance, restored indoors. Silence that protects dreams. Outside, the storm. Inside, the sanctuary. Efficiency that rewards. Smart living. Sensing life. Adapting energy. Purity maintained. Simplicity by design. Peace of mind visualized.
Seasons change. The machine endures.
Intelligent rest. Darkness is undisturbed.
Protection at the microscopic level.
Creating the atmosphere for life's best moments. A partnership built on trust. Premium quality air for life.